Welcome to Sausage on a Stick. No, she didn't. Yeah, stop here now. He's saying hello. He's saying hello. He's saying hello. Welcome to Pig on a Stick.
Where are we going here, man?
I don't know. Do you want to go the North Coast Road? It's the closest road that's half decent, isn't it?
Newquay?
Yeah, towards Newquay, and then maybe go to our calf, our old calf. Oh, better check my bloody tyre pressures, haven't I? Could do with letting some out of these. Baz?
Yeah.
If we remember later, I'll try and get some air out of my tyres.
Why?
They're at 38 and 44, they should be 36 and 42, but what are even lower than that?
I was going to say, why put them that? When did you do them that high?
Well, it might be because we've set them cold, and then they get more in, don't they, when they warm up? What is everyone waiting for, like having a Mexican standoff? This your mate? Alright. Is it clear, Baz?
Yeah, but
that place over there, what's it called, that white building there, Baz?
oh, I don't know, but check him out.
Oh, it might be a bit of sausage here for the girls. Rockpool, that's it. I'm going to give that a rating out of 16.
0.5.
Yeah, 0.4 actually. Went there a few years ago. Looks really nice location. And they gave us microwave food with that crappy microwave cheese. Yeah, 0.4 they can have. Oh, look at that dog in the back of that.
Yeah. I think you'd get a bigger trailer, wouldn't you, so the dog could fit in it?
Yeah. Oh, not bad.
He wasn't laying on.
No. He looked right in my eyes.
8 out of 10, eh?
Oh, are we doing out of 10 for this one? Yeah, the Portree Farms. Yeah. It's a solid. I'd say a solid 9 out of 10 because the food's beautiful.
Well, yeah, but there's not a lot of choice, though.
Yeah, so that's got to be 9, hasn't it? It's cheap for the food quality.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10 because it's quite hard to get in there, isn't it?
Oh, did you let on to the guy?
Yeah, you don't think he'll let on back.
Did you get my message about getting Richard a new number plate and I give you the money?
Yeah, I've got it. It's on the way.
Oh, nice one. How much is it?
What, 12 grand? They've gone up. I've got him, rather than getting the standard size, I've got it an inch smaller all the way around with a red border, a red line.
Yeah.
Just to make him stand out from the crowd a little bit.
And I'm going to make him some little scaled down out plates like what I had.
We just go round the L, but leave a bit of the white on.
Now, do you remember mine on my the pillar? I scaled it down to 50 mil.
No. But you bought them like that, or you made them?
No, made it.
Oh.
So I had a scaled down L plate, exactly the same size, but scaled down to 50 mil by 50 mil.
Yeah.
And put it on the number plate. And then when it got pulled up, I was like, there's the L plate. Well, that's not the... No, there's no legal size, mate. Why does it tell me in the highway code that it's got to be that big?
Yeah.
Just buy them that big. Doesn't mean it has to be that big. The rule is they spell L plates, and there it is. 50 mil by 50 mil, boy. There you go.
Yeah. Well, there's a little fact for people.
25 mile an hour, that's
That is good, 25 mile an hour. Although it did say warning at the end. I don't know if the thing's broke. Oh, don't know how long this is into the video, but we don't know where we're going today, do we, Baz? Well, we do know where we're going. We're going to go to an old haunt.
Watch that one close out of there, Baz.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gone right. Oh.
No, he's not.
Did he indicate to let you pass?
I don't think so.
Yeah, so do I just go which quickest way?
I'm not sure. Is it straight over?
I think so.
Left and right, left and right.
Do you know what?
Yeah.
I don't get the point.
What do you mean? It's like they're not fast enough already?
Yeah, I just proper can't get my head round it.
Yeah, it's not like they're not, you don't need that power for the road, do you? We've probably said it many times before, but you don't. It's good to have though.
I might have got that wrong, I might not be this one. The lean angles are probably so much more than mine, because when it goes on that little flat spot, it probably drops up.
Yeah, it could be that.
The tyres that squared up.
It could be that.
Like that. KTM.
Do I have a no hands off? Who can do it the longest?
Well, you'll win.
What speed are you going?
39.
Seems to be catching you up at 38. Right, marks, get set, go. You can't be on 39.
39, boy.
Can't be. I'm smoking you then.
Fighting. You're holding the traffic up?
No?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, I win.
You looked at track day insurance.
What, you looked into it?
Yeah, to insure this bike on the track, it won't do it. Anything over 15 grand.
Yeah. What, they won't insure?
No, they will, but you got to ring them up.
Right.
Whereas if it's just 0 to 5 grand, it's 130 quid.
Yeah.
5 grand to 10 grand or 11 grand or whatever it was 230 quid with a £1,500 excess. And then 15 grand,
Yeah.
it was like, I don't know, £320 or something, but 2 grand excess.
No way.
Yeah,
so what's the point?
Hey, if you wrote a 15 grand bike off,
Yeah, but the chances of the chances if you come off on track of actually writing the bike totally off. You know, if you damage the fairing and stuff.
Yeah, and they'll pay for that.
No, they won't, because there's a 2 grand excess.
Alright, you mean you'd have to be more than 2 grand's worth
of damage, yeah.
Yeah, but fuck me, you'd soon rack up 2 grand if you off your bike.
Yeah, if you went into a wall, but if you just slid off like on a bend.
Well, look, when I dropped that silver bike, fucking fairing, bar end, brake lever, exhaust.
Yeah, it wasn't 2 grand.
It stood still.
It wasn't 2 grand. Oh, but why is he stopping the knob? Jesus.
Oh, you think if I had to buy 2 new fairings, a bar end, a brake
Yeah,
lever.
so another thing you need to look into, if you come off on the track day and then you claim on the track day insurance, does that go against your normal insurance?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because it's a claim.
It's different, isn't it?
It's letting you go past way.
What's this guy? Oh, that's good.
Cheers, mate.
Going through Newquay or?
Yeah, if you want. See what
guys are out.
yeah, see what guys are out for you. Here he is. Oh. Left there, is it left there? Yeah. It'd be rude not to go left there. Oh, crikey.
Look at that, that's spotless.
Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a nice bouncy castle.
That's what I want, one of them.
Look at these two.
The first one, I want one of them, but with a motorbike engine. Look at that. What?
Yeah, gravel there. So you want one of those kart things with a 125 engine in?
Oh, with like 600cc one. With a proper motorbike. Oh, 1,000. You meant?
Yeah, it'd be meant to have a go of one. You wouldn't like to own it, I don't think, unless you had somewhere to take it.
On our field.
Yeah, you'd soon get bored of that.
The grass, just rip it all up.
Oh, you're not going?
Oh, I don't like it.
Scared me then, boy. Those brake lights have come on. Those brake lights coming on.
My brake light comes up as it's my back brake. So don't worry about it.
It scares me.
Oh, don't even say it's shut.
Don't lie to me.
Cannot be.
Oh, it is. It is closed. There's a nice little jiggle jiggle. Oh no, it might be open.
Is it?
She's going there. Yeah, it's open, boy.
Are you sure?
Yeah, she just walked straight in.
She might own it.
What do you want? A hot tooth?
Hot chocolate. Yeah.
Do you want cream? Do you want the marshmallows and...
Yeah, fuck it if you're paying, yeah.
Oh, I'll have the bloody works. Give this place a rating out of 7, I think.
It looks pretty shut to me, Baz.
Right, in a minute.
Stay on this road. This has got to be a quicker way back.
Do you reckon?
Instead of turning left to the airport.
Yeah. Just stay on air.
Stay on there. Well, surely it brings you back instead of going around, out and around.
Well, let's see where it brings us to then.
Well, this just brings you back to Newhaven. Yeah, we normally go left there, then you got to go all the way round, haven't you?
Yeah. Oh, Baz.
What?
Shh. I don't know what happened now. I don't know if the bike locked up or whatever, but it...
No, it didn't. It went in the road.
Oh, did yours as well?
Yeah, that's what I said. Oh.
Oh, that'd be a good right-hander, that.
It's too bumpy for me, this, that's the rule. Now, I don't know whether it's this bike, but
Yeah.
there's different tyres on this bike.
Different what?
Different make tyres.
Yeah, I think they're Metzeler, aren't they?
There was Metzeler on the double R. And he's not Dunlop or something.
Are they not that Bridgestone race tyre?
No.
I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll put a bloody picture right there of what they are. Oh crap, we forgot. We'll give that place a good 5 out of 7. If it was out of 7, I think. Yeah, 5. Good solid 5.
Is that a bit equivalent to an 8 out of 10?
Yeah, really nice hot chocolate.
Not that good.
Any negatives? He just wasn't as busy today. Wasn't as much candy.
Don't you look at my girlfriend in a wetsuit. Oh. I'm actually getting excited about that trip to Scotland now.
Are you?
Yeah.
It's a couple of months away yet, isn't it?
The sooner the better, I think, to get it out of the way.
Yeah, but we
definitely
need...
want to do it before we start out of our house.
You want decent weather.
Nah, Matt can carry my waterproofs. And I'm going to do it on that Aprilia.
No, you're not.
Yeah. The only thing that's putting me off doing it is not got heated grips.
Do it on the Duke.
I couldn't do it on that. Wouldn't embarrass you.
Where are you to?
Go right, the way we come.
Yeah. Oh, this knob's gone to the right here to not let me past.
The range on these headsets is absolutely... It's not even a sample.
No, it's not. She just let on.
That's the blue Smurf.
A blue Smurf?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Bloody blue Smurf. I like Smurfs. Oh, I'm caught at the lights. Oh, I'm caught at the lights again.
Group connection lost.
Oh. Right, he's going to be in one of these laybys, or he's going to be in a driveway or something. When he pops out, I'm going to smoke him when he tries to keep up. How long have you been waiting here?
Ages.
I got caught at 2 sets of traffic lights. I thought you was doing that thing where you're going to hide.
Yamaha.
Alright, matey.
That's got to be the bumpiest roundabout in Cornwall.
It's one of them. It's not been very eventful today, so this is probably going to be a very short video, but I'm still going to release it. And I'm going to say, welcome to Sausage on a Stick. Because we've got a sausage on a stick and that's it. That's the only thing that I can think of for the thumbnail. I've got to edit a video from yesterday. This will be a quick video Even if it's a 5-minute video, it's still a video, isn't it? For the loyal loyal few that follow us. Sausage on a stick. I like that.
No, pig on a stick.
Oh, is it? Oh, pig on a stick it was. I'll have to do that again. How fast are we going? Welcome to Pig on a Stick. And that's it. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Did I say pig on a stick before or sausage on the stick?
Sausage.
Mong. Let's stay that side of the lane. Let me just have a look at you a minute. Yeah, you are quite... I say you're more towards the back of the seat, aren't you?
Always.
You need to put your feet on those wings, have the cruise control on, and lie back and put your hands behind your head.
Yeah, I'll do that, yeah.
That's what you need to. That's what you need to do. Oh, boom. Get out of the way, Bush.
The lady just flipped the bird, don't you?
No, she didn't. If she did, I'm gonna knock her out. No.
She did.
No, she didn't.
I swear to
Yeah,
God.
stop it now. Yeah, what is she saying? What is she saying? She didn't.
Hey, I swear to God.
She's on that list. See her again. She's stand out with that yellow jacket on.
Here's these two Labradors that bum each other.
They're not Labradors.
What? Not what are they? No. Gold. No. Red setters.
Red setters. Yeah, they might be a.
And
They might be a
The
couple.
owners are just like that. Oh, they're always doing that.
Yeah, like it's normal. Might do final thinks on the bend. There's no final thinks today. Don't think anything's happened. No, not unless. No. Well, anyway. Sorry it's only been a short video. Well, it might not be. See how it goes. But I think it will be a short one. But I need a short one because they've all been quite long recently, haven't they? So getting a bit frisky on that bend then, weren't we? Right, we'll do a bend goodbye. It's goodbye from me and it's goodbye from him. Again. And
It's happy. I've not smoked you with a 46.
is it heck? Smoked me. Did he heck? Right, and subscribe as well.
It really helps him.
Hey, it does help.
How?
Because the more people that watch the videos, the more it gets released to other people. Ta-da! And this is the end of the video, but I might put it at the beginning. He's saying hello. 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 You're saying hello.